So what I've got here is the BENFEI USB-C to HDMI adapter. It's got USB-C on one end, an HDMI port on the other end, and I can plug this into things like my phone, a laptop, tablet, or computer to expand that screen to things like a monitor or a big TV. That's a great feature, especially with your phone. Now this does up to 4K 60 Hz or 2K 144 Hz. It's got HDR, an advanced chipset inside, and a premium aluminum alloy housing. Let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box, of course, you've got the user manual and then the adapter itself. So this is about 8.5 inches long. So again, the one side is USB-C, the other side is HDMI. Nice gray color to that. And it's got a nice braided cable there as well. And if you are wondering, this is compatible with Thunderbolt 3, 4, and 5. And also make sure your device has DisplayPort Alternate Mode, which a lot of the new higher end devices have. So let's go ahead and test this out. So I'll grab my phone here. We can go ahead and plug that into the USB-C port. And then the other end, we'll plug in the HDMI cable from my monitor. And my device says mirror to external display. I'll just hit mirror display. So my monitor started mirroring my phone right away. It's really quick and snappy. I can look at photos on here. I can go through my different apps. I can play videos. I can expand them so it goes nice and big on my monitor. It's a great addition to your phone or tablet if you want to expand it to a bigger screen. So again, this is the BENFEI USB-C to HDMI adapter.